Hey Florida, do your windows and doors look like this? That's wood rot, and it can destroy up to 15 feet of lumber in your home every single year. Thankfully, at Preservan, we can repair it in less than 24 hours for 90% less than the cost of replacing. Stop the structural damage today with our proven epoxy method that comes with a 10-year warranty. Permanent affordable solutions from a local wood rot repair expert. Simply fill out the form and we will be in touch to schedule your free consultation.